Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find where to watch your favorite movies and TV series. To do this, I'm going to use a free service called Just Watch. It is a free search engine for movies and TV shows that helps you find which movies and TV shows available on which streaming services. With this app, you can search among a total of 40+ online streaming service and content providers all around the world. Install the app from Play Store, you'll get the link in the description below. Once installed, launch it. When you open this app for the first time, it asks you to select your country and location, so that it can fetch all the streaming services available in your country, along with a list of nearby cinemas. After that, it gives you a list of streaming service, where you can select which services you have subscribed to. Along with the subscription-based streaming services, it also covers free streaming platforms and online store, from where you can buy or rent the content. Once done, it takes you to the main app where it lists all the services you choose on the top. Below that, it lists new movies and TV shows along with options to browse popular and adds filters. The filter option is really good to discover what to watch. Here, you can set the release year range, rating, price range, content type, genres, and quality. You can customize these options as per your needs, and filter out the best content as per your needs. On top of all that, you can search for a movie or TV show that you want to watch, and get information on that. When you do that, it shows the trailer with a rating at the top, and then lists the streaming services and online stores, where you can watch that movie/show. You can select the quality you want and see where it's available in that quality. In the case of TV shows, it also shows all the available seasons and episodes, along with a button to add it to your watch list. That's it guys, this is how you can find where to watch your favorite movies and TV series. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.